this song. It's one of the songs that we want for the people and know say Snéézé an artist, the singer. Why you decide for release this song and when did you release this song?
I decided for do this song because I'm fall in love with a lady, beautiful lady called Tima. The lady so fine, and also like a mother to me. The way my mother they take good care of me, and so the lady said they take good care of me. So I said, well, not just use a name, and also I like the name so much called Tima Fatima. Then I decided for use this as an opportunity for put a name inside the song, and the song a love song, and everybody go like for listening and song. And I released the song the 18th of this month.
They release the song.
Yes.
For somebody who listen out there, for now we can't typically say the song play and let them make a genuine contribution on the song. For somebody who listen to the song, where you release the song, how somebody will get the opportunity for laying empire the song?
Got the YouTube, Sneeze, also TikTok, WhatsApp, so many media.
This song, now you want to do it?
No, our feature is not the wisdom.
It's not the wisdom. Why you decide for feature is not?
Because a great artist for me, great musician for me, and I just decided make I just interview am so that I go able for mingle with am first. We meet up na TikTok, then we chat, exchange some number, then we can WhatsApp. Because artist is it way I be try first for make am mingle with, and luckily we I see am na TikTok, then follow am, then luckily he said follow me, they will begin for chat up. Then I say, Isna, I want for sing with you. Then me and too we begin for chat up, get used to each other. Then we go na studio and do this song as so Tima.
So you will feel satisfied after you don't feature this song and do it. So you feel satisfied.
Yeah.
You will get what you expect from her.
Yeah, get more than the way I be expect from her.
Like right now, you see they work on the two albums. When people are for the expect them 2 albums, when you are listening to albums,
as soon as possible. Because for now, concentrate on Tima.
I concentrate on Tima, and you say Tima will release on the 18th.
18.
Video number one Tima on the app for showcase artists and sell music, both local and international. This Tima, you plan for put video for them, or you already don't get in video?
I try for.
I plan for doing.
I try for pull video for him, and the lady of himself now I use on the video.
The lady of himself you do the song for?
Yes.
Do a song for somebody that's something special. This person knows why you do this song, and I do appreciate him.
First, I surprise him. I say I get surprise for you, so it's not a surprise, just wait. Then I don't go do this song, then I not send her for it too. I say this song I go make sure say you go listen and out there, not to put my own phone or not to put on my own media, you go listen on.
So like when somebody do song, we an act in song, people already around them can listen and make the genuine contribution. This song no release it, you release on the 18th. People already around you, we don't listen to the song. With that comments we they get from people, we don't listen to the song at first.
All the comments there were all good, all nice. I don't get none of the comments they like before, because those of me past song the way what they do. Some people they say not nice, some people they say nice. But this particular song, everybody saying nice. Then and the more they give me the zeal for make a push go before and forward and continue in my career.
So like they say Kabbalah look most kind. I want to put the song on the replay, let people listen to the song, let themselves do the genuine contribution about the song. What do you think about that?
Nice.
Okay, stay tuned and continue for listening to the program. The program is Shikidi. It comes to you from 98.1 FM 077 981 981. You can be part of the show. Send a message just on short. We'll call up on the phone line. We said we'll make a contribution and call you. 077 981 981. That number for be part of the show. Inside the show, I get with me Double A Abdul Aladi. They go for Housemates Salon Season 3. Now DJ, my fellow DJ